Okie, and welcome to Illuminate. I am Andy Roberts. As Indigenous Awareness Week approaches, educators are prompted to reflect on their teaching practices and consider responding to the calls of the Truth and Reconciliation Commission on a more personal level within their teaching practice. This call to action underscores the significance of acknowledging and celebrating Indigenous perspectives within educational settings. To support this initiative, a dedicated resources page has been established on various educational platforms, offering a curated selection of resources, not only focused on Indigenous content, but also promoting inclusion across diverse backgrounds. The Teaching Center's Light on Teaching magazine illuminates innovative teaching practices, offering educators a beacon of inspiration and guidance. Through insightful articles and case studies, the magazine showcases effective pedagogical approaches, fostering a community of learning and collaboration among educators. Whether exploring new technology integration, student engagement strategies, or inclusive teaching methods, Light on Teaching serves as a valuable resource for educators seeking to enhance their teaching practices and elevate student learning experiences. Visit our website today to explore the latest issue and enrich your teaching toolkit. Join us for an exhilarating showcase of innovation and entrepreneurship at the LaunchPoint pitch competition taking place from 2 to 7:30 p.m. on March 15th at the ULethbridge College. Witness the top 3 students and community members pitch their groundbreaking ideas and ventures in front of a panel of esteemed judges and a captivative audience. From startups to innovative enterprises, this event promises to inspire and ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. If you have any questions about these or other Teaching Center or Agility events, please contact the Teaching Center. See you next time.